Well, this is my last song that I prepared for you. It's an original song which I participated in the Junior Eurovision Song Contest last year, which I wrote in it myself. For you, Nature Powers. I've got a secret hidden in me I want to share with you. I've got amazing nature powers that gives me things I can do. You can say that I am crazy, yes it's true. But deep inside I got those magics like I do. If I just close my eyes, I spread my wings and fly away. If I just sing a song, all kinds of birds will sing along with me. I wish you know what I mean. The secret magic behind all this. Love your nature, all those simple things that breaks. So feel right now, leave it behind you. Clear up your mind for a while. So come on now, let's join together. Why don't you give it a try? You can